This is $10,000, and one of you watching this video is going to walk away with it in 90 days. How's it going, everybody? If you don't know me, my name's Keaton Walker, and 2023 has been an absolutely insane year for me. In February, I sold my marketing agency that I'd worked on for 4 years. In April, I launched a brand new course and coaching program for other agency owners that are looking to build and sell their agencies. Been thriving with a ton of awesome students in it. In August, I moved across the country from Utah to North Carolina, and in December, my son Sebastian was born, who we're joined by today. And all of this got me thinking, I'm just so grateful. I want to give back to the community that's given me so much, and that's where the idea for this 90-day challenge came from. And it starts on Monday, January 1st. And as I mentioned, somebody's going to walk away with $10,000, but it's not just one person. There's also second and third place prizes that are cash and participation prizes, as well as mini giveaways throughout the course of the challenge for everybody that participates. So I've tried to make it as easy as possible for you guys to win here and as easy as possible to enter the giveaway. So how are we going to do it? I'll go ahead and share my screen and walk through the details with you. As you can see, enrollment closes January 31st, 2024. I recommend you join sooner rather than later, because although you can join January 31st, everybody else is going to have a month's head start on you if you join then. This is called the Agency Dominators Challenge. And as you can see, you can win $10,000 cash, free one-on-one coaching, free bonuses, and more, all while building your agency or SaaS with best-in-class support and a supportive community. Now, if we scroll down here, I'll show you what the prizes are for the agency that generates the most revenue. So literally just how much money did you make in these 90 days? You're going to win $10,000 cash, lifetime access to Agency Dominance, which is my course and coaching program, one-on-one coaching call with myself, and a special Agency Dominator hoodie that we're gonna make. Super cool logo, all that kind of thing on it. Secondly, for the agency with the most recurring revenue stacked during this time, because we value longevity, $5,000 cash and the same bonuses that I mentioned before. And then lastly, the agency with the most innovative growth strategy, $1,000 cash and lifetime access to Agency Dominance, one-on-one coaching call, and the hoodie as well. So as you can see, there's 3 prizes here in 3 different categories, and it pays to enter. But there's more. We're going to be giving away 5 of each of $500 cash, a one-on-one coaching call with myself, and lifetime access to Agency Dominance. And as a bonus, 10 Agency Dominator hoodies that you can wear. As if that wasn't enough, there is more. Just for participating, you're going to get lifetime access to the challenge community, weekly coaching calls throughout the challenge with everybody else that's participating, a Getting Clients course. So this is how to actually market yourself, get yourself out there and get those first few clients, a course on exactly how to use High Level, and then my snapshot that I use to get results for my clients in the agency that I sold. So that took years and years of development, learning, and testing to get it to the point where we got it. And you get that for completely free just for participating. Now, how do you actually join? First step, you need to join High Level using my link. There's currently a 50% off New Year's special going on. So you can get your first 3 months for 50% off. However, if you already have a High Level account, don't worry, you can upgrade your High Level account using my link. The links will be on this page to either the $297 or $497 plan. You can start a brand new High Level account on any plan using my link, or you can sign up for High Level's new certification program using my link. Really important though, as you're signing up for these, don't use an ad blocker or another cookie blocking browser or extension, or else you signing up for High Level won't be assigned to me automatically, and we'll have to go through a whole process of getting you assigned. Once you've signed up for that, all you have to do is record a Loom video of yourself going through the Stripe account that you're going to be using for this challenge. Now, this challenge is only available for offers that are currently under $5,000 a month. So if you're an agency and you want to try a SaaS offer, that could totally work. It doesn't mean that you have to be a brand new beginner. It just means that what you're selling has to be new. because we don't want anybody coming in here that has $100,000 a month already and is gonna, make $300,000 in the next 3 months and blow everyone out of the water. We want new offers so that everybody has a chance. Once you've filmed that Loom video, you're going to fill out the form on this page and request access to the challenge Facebook group. Once you've done that, we will approve you within 24 to 48 business hours. You'll get all of the bonuses that you saw listed above, and you'll be able to participate and win the challenge. All right, last up, rules, the fine print, guys. Super simple, the 5K rule we talked about earlier. Next up, you have to share this announcement video with at least one friend or on social media. You have to sign up or upgrade your high-level account using my link, and you have to be ready to provide proof for the revenue generated at any time. There's also some other rules here for the weekly and monthly giveaways and the halfway giveaway, which you can pause and read or click on the link below to enter. Once you've done all of that, you fill out this form and we'll take care of the rest, except actually growing the agency. That's your job. To close out, guys, I have a question for you. Is 2024 going to be your year? If so, there's no better time to tackle it than in the first 90 days. Hopefully this is the motivation that you needed to get started. I'm super excited for this challenge. I'm so pumped. I'm so hyped. So is Sebastian, right, Bash? Yeah, he's totally hyped. The link to join is below this video. We'll see you inside.